If someone asked me the theme for February, I would say we need more listings. February was yet another month where inventory levels fell far below the buyer demand. And really, we've been telling this same story for over a year now. It's been a very challenging market for buyers, and if they're shopping for homes in the price ranges of $450,000 or less, it's really challenging. The name of the game for these buyers in these price ranges was to get in as quickly as possible, to act fast, because many of these listings were going into multiple offers within days on the market. Housing prices are also up 10.5% since last year. So the low inventory situation coupled with that strong buyer demand has been causing the average price to continually creep up, which is great news for sellers, but for the buyers, not so much, of course. So let's get into what happened in February. In February, we had 1,825 residential unit sales, which was over 14% higher than January, but year to date, we are down 7% in total sales. New listings were also up 13% from January, but at this point in the year, they're very similar to the number of listings we had at this time last year. So what do these numbers mean? Well, this February was a little bit slower for sales comparatively when we compare it to last February, but overall, the market has still been ramping up and the spring market definitely hit us early again this year. We are in a very low inventory situation still, just as we were this time last year and have been for quite some time now. So let's dig into that a little bit more. Months of inventory. When we are looking at months of inventory for February, we were sitting at 2.27 months. So yes, like I said, we're still in a seller's market. We have been in a seller's market for well over a year now. So like I said at the top of this video, we definitely need more listings. 2 months of inventory means that if every listing sold and nothing else was listed going forward, it would take about 2 months to sell all of the listings at the current rate that houses are selling. A balanced market sits at about 4 to 6 months. The average price for a home in the greater Edmonton area for February was at $450,000, which was up 2.6% over January, and as I mentioned, up a whopping 10.5% year over year. And by housing category, let's look at pricing and stick with that year over year theme. So detached homes sold for an average of $568,000, which was up 11.9% year over year. Semi-detached sold for an average of $421,000, which is up 8.9%, and row housing for $301,000, which is up 9% over year. So these numbers are definitely proving that old adage true. The best time to buy real estate was yesterday. The average days on market was 37 days. It was taking 50 days for a property to sell on average in February of 2024. So inventory is moving quickly, and we will most likely see properties start to sell a little bit faster and faster as we make it further into the spring months. Buyers. Now more than ever, you need an experienced realtor who knows how to navigate multiple offers. Acting fast is key, so if you see a home that you like, you'll need to get in there and see it right away. That being said, there is a bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. As we move deeper into March and April, we should see a significant increase in listings, and I have definitely noticed an uptick in the number of calls that I've been getting from sellers, as well as the listings that have been hitting the market. A bit of patience may be needed in the meantime. Many sellers delayed listing in February due to the harsh weather conditions that we had last month, but as temperatures rise, we can also expect to see inventory increase. So sellers, you know what I'm going to say. If you're thinking about selling, now is a fantastic time to capitalize on this crazy market. Listing sooner rather than later puts you in a great position, as some areas have virtually no competition right now. The market is moving quickly, and if your home is priced right, it will move quickly too. So that was February. If you're looking for a personalized evaluation on how the current market trends could impact you, I would be happy to chat. Send me an email and we can start the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.